Hello students, in this video I will tell you some new methods of opening a file, renaming a file. Okay, let's start. First of all, let's start with changing the desktop background. As you all know, by right clicking on the desktop you will go to personalize option. From there, when you click on this, a dialog box will appear. Okay, from here when you go to desktop background, okay, you can select multiple pictures by clicking on them. Okay, I'm selecting pictures by clicking on them. Now I will change the picture every 10 seconds. My picture will be changed within every 10 seconds. My picture will change and it will create a slideshow for my desktop. I will show you how I will do save changes, and after 10 seconds my background of desktop will change. I create slideshow for my desktop background. Yes, you see, every 10 seconds it will change the picture. Okay, now second method, like if I want to add on desktop, if I want to add my picture, how I will do, I will go to personalize button, then I will go to desktop background. From here browse, I will do browsing. Okay, like now my pictures are stored in computer D drive or D drive. I know my pictures are stored in D drive. I will click on D drive. Like if I want to do Myra's photo, I will click on this, then I will do OK. You will see my pictures of my daughter have displayed on this screen. Now within every 10 seconds my desktop background will change with the picture of my daughter. See, likewise you can add picture of yourself also on desktop background. Okay class, see. Okay, now let's go to other how to change the screensaver. You all know how to change the screensaver. Now I'm telling again the other method of displaying the screensaver of your name. How you display the screensaver of your name. Like if I will right click on the desktop and I will go to personalize option. Okay, then I will go to screensaver. When I will click on the screensaver, this dialog box of screensaver will open. Like here it is written screensaver drop down menu, none. If I want to create screensaver of my name, I will click on this. Okay, I will go to 3D text and I will go to settings. I will go to settings. From here I will write my name. I have write my name Manisha Gupta. Okay, I will choose font from here. I will choose font from here. I have select font new Time New Romans and font style italic, and I will do OK. And now if I want to rotation, I have set rotation seesaw. I want my rotation of my name is seesaw. I select it and then I will do OK. And after 1 minute, after I have put waiting time 1 minute, after 1 minute, when my computer remains idle for 1 minute, my name, my screensaver of my name will display on the computer. Let's do it. Okay, just wait for 1 minute. After 1 minute you will see that my picture, my name will be shown on the computer as screensaver. See students, this is how you can change the screensaver of your name. You can put the screensaver of your name. Okay class. Now next, I have told you how to rename the folder. Rename means change the existing name of a file or a folder. Like this is my folder. This is my folder and its name is Dell. I have told you by right clicking on it. Okay, sorry, look here, my folder name is Manisha. I have told you by right clicking on it you will go to the contents menu, and from here you will do the rename. Like I have to rename it Myra. Okay, see here, I have do it name, I have rename it Myra. See, I have renamed it Myra and I have press it enter. Okay, my folder is renamed. But other method, easy method to rename it, just select it and press F2. By pressing F2 you will able to rename it. Like I have do it Rani. Okay, then I will press enter. My folder is renamed. Okay, this is the second method. Third method is to select it and then click on it. Then click on it. By this also you can rename it like Ankit. Okay, this is how you can rename it. Okay, now I have told you that if you want to open any icon you will double click on it and you will able to see the like I have opened computer icon. Now you will able to see the drives. Like if I want to now open C drive, I will click on it, then I will go to, like if I want to open any file computer folder, then I will click on it and my folder computer folder will be open. I have told you that by double clicking on any folder or file you will able to open a file. But how to open second method is just right click on it, then there is a option of open. From there you will able to open the file. Second method is this. First method is just by double clicking on it you will able to open it, and second method is just right click on it you will able to open the file and folder. Okay, this is the second method. Now contents menu, you all know when you right click on any icon a pop-up menu appear up, that is known as contents menu. By using contents menu you can do you can copy, rename, delete. Okay, you can do such things. I will tell you those things also. Like first of all I want to copy this, I will select this. Now I will do right click, then I go to copy, then I will go to copy, and if I want to copy it in D drive I will open D drive. From there I will right click and I will do paste. My file is copied. Okay, now if I want to delete the file, what I will do, I will select it, I will right click on it and I will go to delete. I will go to delete. By deleting by clicking delete my file will be deleted. I will do this yes and my file will be deleted like this. See, my file is deleted. Now if I want to move this file from C to D drive, then what will I do? I will select this and I will do cut. I will do cut and this file will be moved from C to D drive. I will go to D drive. There I will do right click and I will do paste and my file will be pasted here. Okay, this is how you can cut, copy, paste. Okay, there are shortcut methods are also, but okay, of cut, copy and paste. Okay, for cut, copy, paste, okay, using this contents menu you can do cut, copy, paste. There are shortcut method also, but we will discuss that in your higher classes. Okay, now there is one method of I have tell you how to create a shortcut. Okay, shortcut is an icon that provide easy and quick way to open any application or software that we use frequently. Okay, shortcut क्या होता है बेटा? जो अपने को easy and quick way बताता है किसी भी फाइल को ओपन करने के लिए. I have told you the method that we will go to start button, then we will go to all programs, then MS Office. Okay, from there I will click MS PowerPoint and From there I will click on MS PowerPoint, and then I will do right click and I will go to send to desktop, create shortcut. Okay, you will see my shortcut is created here. But this other method is to drag the icon, to drag this app store, this. Okay, how to drag? You will put thumb on the left side, and on the mouse you will drag this icon. Okay, this is how you can create shortcut. This is so simple. Look here, I will go to start button. Like if I want to create MS Office shortcut, what will I do? I will select this. Okay, I will go to this. I will do like this. I will put my thumb on this and finger on this, and I will drag this from here. This is how my shortcut is created. Okay, one method, creating folder. The other method, now I am going to tell you how to create a folder. You will right click and there is option of new, and from there you will go to folder and your folder is created. This is the one method. Second method is, from the keyboard you will press Ctrl Shift and N. This is how your folder is created. You will press Ctrl Shift plus N. This is the shortcut method to create a folder. Okay, now how to shut down the computer? You will go to the start button, and from this you will shut down. But the other method is Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Press these three buttons equally and